Say what's up, Chris.
What up?
We're like on week 350. I don't know how long, but this is the progress of the Civic. We have a majority of everything set up. We just got to put the coilovers on. Went with the ITR 5 conversion with the EMS lower control arms. BWR, this is kind of old stock that I had, so I might as well put this little subframe thing on. Also got trailing arm bushings, spherical, everything real nice and beefy. Check out the cage. Thanks to my buddy, we did a simple 4-point cage. I didn't want to go full just yet. I just needed really this bar for my harness for the Sparko seat. I have a permanent strut bar in the rear. Everything is gutted out. We're gonna remove some of the wiring, some of the airbag stuff that we don't need. Everything's gonna come off. And then we're gonna try to put it all nice and tidy. Rolling with the K20 billet shifter. Pull your brake lines. German engineering.
Can't tell what life on here.
No? You tell? No? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have some wheels that were just temporary running. OG 5-zigging wheels. And the KWs bolted up on Skunk 2 arms with upgraded spherical bushings. We are going to put this on the ground. Oh, look at that camber. Just kidding. We don't know if these are going to be 18.5. I don't know if these stick out. Hopefully, I do have right here aftermarket fenders, charge speed. I don't know how much millimeters they're going to cover, but let's set this on the ground. Let's see it on the ground. Huh? Bag is hella high. Damn!
Dragster mode.
Alright, we gotta lower the back a little bit.
Stand up front.
The suspension gotta settle a little bit. Let's see how the clearance for the oil pan. It's not bad. Record an unboxing. Record the unboxing. This could be like completely thrashed home. What is in the box, ladies and gentlemen?
Powder fiberglass everywhere.
I've been here for like a year. Oh, all right. There we go. Front fender EG days.
For wrap. Making sure you weren't messing those up.
On it. Well, they don't skimp on the tape.
No.
Oh. Charger speeder days. Charger speeder days.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. JDM chicken wire. I don't know if it's supposed to be on better.
Right?
They're not even on the hooks. Come on, dude. What is going on here? Oh, maybe you're supposed to take them off when you get them painted, and you know it's black, but it's pretty legit. Pre-drilled holes. See, I don't have to paint them; they're all white. So, oh, they have the side markers.
Yeah.
But looks good. The real test is to see how they fit, like right now. So let's go see.
We'll find out.
Which side is straighter? Which side is straighter?
Pick up the right size rock. It'll imagine go right through the fender.
Yeah, these were the new bumper.
That's a giant box. You
Giant
could ship a person in that thing.
Giant box, nothing in it. Oh. This is
Oh,
Crow bumper. Something they call it Crow.
2000 SI, 2000 EK bumpers, and this is kind of like that style.
Yeah, look kind of rough, but I wanted something durable.
You don't want to go.
It gives you kind of a concept.
Idea of what it's supposed to look like.
We're gonna call it a day, and we've worked at least 45 minutes on one bolt, so we're a little tired right now. Get a little grub, but till next time, stay watching. Babushkas.
It's a wrap.